Hey there guys, I'm back with another video of Minecraft. This is Survival Manners Only episode 2. So yeah guys, this is the, that have been doing a lot of stuff with terraforming, a little bit of things, and guys, a lot of my friends died in battle of that particular river. Oh my god, I'm so mad at that girl. I'm so mad that I want to color like a black shirt. Boom, like that. So yeah guys, I've been changing stuff. And guys, if you're wondering what is that, that's from my friend, that's not mine. I don't know what she's doing. She didn't put a roof so I can see inside. It's not the image. So yeah guys. So yeah, I'm a new horses that I've been collecting them and I tamed them, but they are not fast. They are jumpy. They jump very high. And guys, there's a new member in the house. Is Kiara, Dilla, Noah, and Kiara. So yeah guys, this is the chest room and everything. If you hear my dog, that if she wants to get out, she wants to come to my room, yeah. She wants to enter my room. But I don't let her because she would destroy all my stuff. Yeah. Cat is scared and inspired and everything. Oh yeah, guys. Well, oh, that's skeleton. Go. There we go. Let me show you guys how gross that has been doing. You guys, this is all that have been doing all this time without without the what do you call it, without you seeing it or something, because I don't have time to do a video because I have school and my mom says to not use the webcam when I'm in school and everything. Oh my god. I hate this too much. I hate that. Perfect. TTT, I'm so TTT. Yeah. And I'm going like, this is a pink. Oh my god, I was thinking this was like a pig because it was so pinkish. Yeah, like I have too much. That's why I'm calling it. Not because I'm bad at it. I have too money around me. So yeah, guys. So I forgot. I have to show you the new thing that has been going on the ground. Is this a train system that I will show you here in the so some guys you will like it. So yeah guys, make it like 100 cards up for this video, and I will, if you do that, I will make more videos every time that you leave a like. Some of you guys were telling me why I'm not videos is because I have school, I have exams, I have homework. So yeah guys, I will show you where it leads the train system. Train system will lead the spawn area that have been going by myself. Yeah, guys, look at that. Oh my god, oh my god, can I find that? This is the problem. I have to get jumping to point out. See guys, this is spawn area where you or your friends can spawn in and play with me. So I will leave a chest with my card so you can go there and visit me in my house, and I will give you some material, some armor, and everything that you need. You can stay with me on this world and play with me. So I have been doing some Hunger Games and hide and seek and Skywars and another maps. And yeah, guys, some of you were saying private chat, some private chat. Guys, tell me that you wanted to play with you on Skywars and Hunger Games and hide and seek because they were telling me that I was so funny and creative and everything. So yeah guys, I'm making a new hide and seek and Hunger Games. I need some new pixel art makers and some creative people that will be helping me. Please people, I need you all to help me make this map. I really need you guys because that map is so big. I made the walls and I made it all happen. I made everything. So yeah, thank you Lila back I was I was making some stuff and everything. I've been a busy girl with a long time. Trust me. Some of you guys will take like serious of my stuff. Some of you were telling me why, because I was so busy on my room and everything. It's because I love to play Minecraft, I love to do stuff in my world and with my friends, guys. That's why I've been so busy on my stuff. I'm so sorry that you cannot been there to watch my progress in the world. I'm sorry guys, I will make it up to you guys and I will make videos so you can see guys why I have been doing on those videos. See guys, I'm so organized in my house guys. See? People will be helping me get some new stuff, get more iron and everything. And these are for the new guys, the new guys machine. So I'm going to check on the crafting table what is new because the game actualizes a lot. I want to see a new thing. Nothing. So I don't know what is new here. I have to be creative and check it out, guys. So I can see what is it. Nothing new. It's doing still the same. Still the everything. Still everything. There's nothing new here, guys. I cannot do nothing. They can have creative and something. Yeah. So I'm going to say goodbye, guys. Bye. Peace out.